Hello friends, and welcome to the Lakes at Rabbit Run in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. We are back today with spectacular homes, and we are in their model home called the Middleton. This plan is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and just over 2,000 square feet. Let's go outside, take a look at the exterior, and then we'll come back in and do the full tour. We are here at another spectacular homes model home. This is the Middleton, and it is 2,061 square feet. As you can see, it has a brick exterior with wood accents and also copper accents up at the top. Absolutely love copper. The driveway has a diamond pattern cut, which really gives it some nice detail. Sometimes it's just the simple touches. In this plan, the garage kind of separates the two sides of the house, which is interesting and something you don't see a lot of. You have an entrance here with a vaulted ceiling at the entry and a huge chandelier. Nice tall door with beveled glass. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but really a nice thick beveled glass. Well, let's go on in and take a look. When you come in the front door, immediately you are in this beautiful entryway. It has a nice chandelier. It's a very nice entryway. There is a rounded arch here. A great place to put a furniture piece, a landing spot for your keys and such. Very bright entryway. We've got 3 long windows with 3 square windows above each one of those, and it really creates a nice focal point as soon as you walk in. Again, we see the arch, and you can see into the living room, get a glimpse of the open plan there and the beams. But first you have a coat closet. Double door here. Just a standard coat closet, but always nice to have for your guests and even yourself to be able to drop your coat. There is not 1, but 2 huge picture windows in the living room. Everything about this home just has a very nice and airy feel. We have the wood beams and vaulted ceilings. And then again, another archway that goes towards some of the bedrooms. You have a nice stone fireplace with a wood mantel. And access from your living room to the back patio. I love the arches. I love also how the kitchen is open to the living room, but there's also a defined space. It has a really wide open arch that extends basically the length of the kitchen. So the kitchen's kind of nestled back in that area, but you're still completely open to the living room. We're gonna come back and explore the kitchen at the end of the video. But first, let's go down to the hall. As you come in, this would be the first hallway that goes off to the left. You have a pantry with easy access to the kitchen. It's a nice walk-in pantry. And here is your 2-car garage with pull-down stairs, easy access into the attic. This home is located in a 55+ community, and they have all the fun things to do. They have pickleball, walking trails, putting greens, a clubhouse. There's also 2 little lakes. So let's go on down this hallway. First, we're coming to bathroom number 1. You have a single vanity, and a tub and shower combo, tile walls, and a fun little built-in shelf there. Got some colorful patterns in the tile. Let's go across the hall and check out the first room. This is at the front of the house, the two double windows that we saw to the far left. This is a flex room. It obviously would make a big, beautiful bedroom, but it would also make a great office. It has the two double windows, and then a unique feature that I have yet to see in a home before are these three square windows that have the privacy glass. So it lets a lot of light in. The lighting is beautiful in this room, but it also gives you the privacy. Now there's a feature that I'm getting ready to show you that's really nice in this room, but first let's check out the closet. So you just have a small closet here, but there's enough room for some clothes in there if you did want to make it a bedroom. But if you wanted to use it as an office, you have this great area here. You have built-in shelving, the arch continues again, and then you have the cabinetry, but also the open shelving, which is nice to have in a space like an office. Okay, let's go look at the next room. Throughout the house, you'll notice that they have the gray 3-panel doors. I really like that style of a door. Something about it feels a little vintage to me. So this is bedroom number 2, and it actually has a nice carpet on it. Again, you see the windows with the privacy glass, which is a very nice touch if you're in a subdivision where you have another home right beside you. Even when you have blinds on your windows and you open up, you know, oftentimes you lose that privacy when you open your blinds, but you would not have that problem with these windows. Once again, a spectacular job by Spectacular Homes. So here is our closet, plenty of space for your clothes. The same style of doors. And we'll just spin around one more time. If you can hear them walking on the path that is protecting the carpet, I want to be sure and take good care of their model home since they're letting us bring this tour to you. We're back out into the big, beautiful living room with the recessed lighting, vaulted ceilings, the wood, and straight ahead you have the dining room. The dining room is a formal dining room with a tray ceiling and a big fun chandelier. And again, a great choice for the windows. And here, big, beautiful, lets lots of light in. And here's the view from the dining room into the main part of the house. Okay, now going down this hallway, we are going to go into our primary bedroom. But first, we have the laundry room, which has great access to the primary bedroom. It has pocket doors, which is always nice. I love that you don't have to worry about losing that space, opening up into a small room like a laundry room or opening up into the closet. It just tucks away right into the door. Or, I'm sorry, tucks away right into the wall. Again, we have a nice light carpet in the primary bedroom. And it is a nice size. More of the privacy windows. And then some larger double windows that look into the backyard. And let's check out the closet. Here is the primary closet. It's a walk-in closet. You have one window up there that's kind of like a transom window, and then built-in shelving. Good place to fold your sweaters, stuff like that. I don't know about you guys, but I do not like to hang my sweaters. They always get out of shape, so it's nice to have that option to put your folded items. And then going back out of the closet into the primary bedroom, we have a sliding barn door type of door that goes into the primary bathroom. The shower is a zero threshold, I believe is what it's called. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section of the video. But here, if you were in a wheelchair or anything like that, it's easy access straight into the shower. There's a bench built in. And a shelf. Put your shampoo, conditioner, that type of stuff. And then another privacy window and recessed lighting up above. And a nice glass door gives it that nice, bright, airy feeling. This has two separate sinks. So the first vanity is here. And then you have your second on this side, and it is divided by this cabinetry here. And look what we have here. So the first closet was just a teaser. That's his closet, and this would be hers. So more built-in shelving, more places to hang your clothes. Now you're probably thinking one thing is missing in this bathroom. Where is the commode? Well, it's right behind these double doors here. So again, if you needed to access this space with a wheelchair, then there is plenty of room for that. So it's really a home that you could grow into, grow old into. You never know what life is going to bring you and what type of accommodations you'll need. And it's nice to be in such a luxury home that has already thought that through. One of the coin phrases that Spectacular Homes uses is that you are going to be enjoying luxury downsizing. And I think that's really a perfect term for the way that they build their houses. Okay, in the kitchen we have a nice thick granite countertop. Enough room for some bar stools there. You could easily fit maybe 3 or 4 people. Then in the island area, you have your dishwasher, a nice large sink, and here's your double trash cans in a pull-out drawer there. I love anything that pulls out like that. Just keeps everything in a nice, clean spot, out of the way. That's definitely something I want in the next house that we build. The cabinetry does not go all the way up to the ceiling. It has a nice trim and molding around the top, but also they have lighting up there, which gives it a very nice look. There's lighting above the cabinetry and below. Stepping back a little bit so you can get a better view, we've got the built-in microwave and the wall oven. It's Frigidaire Professional. And then we've got our pantry space here. with the overflow pantry or linen closet, coat closet, whatever you want, just around the corner. I like the nice light gray color. It gives it a richness, but still gives it color. Drawers pull out here, giving you nice access to your pots and pans. You have a built-in hood vent. I love this little touch right here. It's one of those things totally not necessary, but look how much nicer it looks just adding that one piece of wood to the area that has a built-in hood vent. Then we have the Frigidaire Professional gas cooktop. You've got 5 burners there and a nice white tile. The same granite continues across these countertops. And then you have this massive Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer. Let's take a look inside. So on the left side, you have your freezer, tons of space. We could still fill that freezer up pretty quick though. And then on your right-hand side, you have your refrigerator. So when they say luxury downsizing, it's the touches like this that really give it that luxury feel. Well friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like more information on this builder, Spectacular Homes, I will put their information in the description section of this video. And if you like this type of content, I would like to invite you to go ahead and hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. While you're doing that, you might as well hit that bell icon and that will let you know when we upload more videos just like this. Until next time, God bless.